Hello and welcome. Shortly, we shall be learning how to uninstall or delete a WordPress plugin. But before then, if you are coming across this channel for the first time, kindly subscribe and click the bell notification button so that you always get notified when I drop videos like this. Now, without wasting much of your time, let's cut right into the chase. The first thing you have to do, of course, is to log in into your WordPress dashboard. When you log in into your WordPress dashboard, it takes you straight to your dashboard, which is shown on the screen. This is my own WordPress dashboard. Now, when you have done that, navigate to the plugin section of your WordPress website and wait for it to load. Now, on this plugin section of your WordPress website, what you need to do is to look for the plugin which you want to delete or uninstall. In my own case, I already have my plugins here. I don't want to delete any of them. What I will do now is to first of all install the WordPress plugin which I don't need. And after installing it, I will uninstall it. Now let me go to the plugin section and add a new plugin. And of course, I told you that it's a plugin I don't need. After installing it, I will uninstall it to show you the process of uninstalling a WordPress a plugin which you don't need, a WordPress plugin which you don't need. Now in this case, let me install this classic editor plugin. The installation process is going on. Let's wait for it. Okay, it has been installed. Let me activate. And wait for it. Now I've installed and activated the WordPress plugin, and on the plugin section of my WordPress website you can see the plugin that I have installed, this classic editor. Now, to uninstall a WordPress plugin, what you need to first of all do is to deactivate the plugin. Once you have deactivated, you can easily uninstall or delete the plugin. Now, this is the classic editor which I installed. I have deactivated it. Now, for you to uninstall or delete a WordPress plugin, the next thing you do is just to click on delete. It will ask you, are you sure you want to delete the name of the plugin and its data? You click on OK, and here it is deleting. Classic editor was successfully deleted. The plugin has left my WordPress website. It's no longer active. I've deleted it. So this is the simple process of how to uninstall or delete a WordPress plugin which you don't need or which you no longer want on your WordPress website. Now, thank you for staying to the end of this video and watching the video to the very end. Like I said, if this is your first time of coming across this channel, so click on the subscribe button to subscribe to this channel and click the bell notification button so that you always get notified when I drop videos like this. Thank you once again for staying to the end of this video and watching this.